Today I'm showing you how to make this incredible, delicious pumpkin maple milk bread. It is a really fantastic recipe. This bread is so fluffy, so flavorful. It is so delicious. The full recipe is in the description, so don't you worry. You guys are gonna love this recipe. We start by adding some bread flour and cake flour along with cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt to a large bowl and whisk that until it is nicely combined. Now in the bowl of a stand mixer with the dough hook, we have heavy cream, whole milk, some active dry yeast, maple syrup, a large egg, some granulated sugar, and pumpkin puree. Just mix it around just to break up the egg and kind of start to combine it, and then add in your flour mixture. On a low speed, just bring the dough together, turn it up to a medium-high and knead for 8 to 10 minutes or until it only sticks to the bottom and stops sticking to the sides. You want to transfer this gently to a large greased bowl. This is going to be a sticky dough, so just a heads up there. I use a dough scraper to make it a little bit neater. Cover it and let it rise until doubled in volume, which can take anywhere up to 2 hours. Once it is, you'll notice it's still pretty sticky, but that's fine. I just use the dough hook to kind of fold it and deflate it and divide it into loaf pans. This will make 2 full-size loaves, so you can do that, or if you have these cute little mini loaf pans, I like to use those as well, just for funsies. You want to let that rise. You want to make sure those loaf pans are also buttered before you put the dough in there. Let it double. That could take up to another hour. Put some egg wash on top and bake for around 22 minutes or until the internal temperature is 190 degrees Fahrenheit. You can brush the top with maple syrup, sprinkle with flaky salt, and this is something I love so much, and I know you will too. This has to be one of my favorite breads, of all time. It is so good, and I love every time I make it. Once again, the full recipe is in the description, along with links to my other social media. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you next time.